Hello fellow Americans, Anonymous would like to invite you to an event that will be occurring on September 11th of 2013. This is the Million American March Against Fear. We are here, as Americans, to march against what we have fought for since the creation of this country that our forefathers have envisioned. Our liberties and freedom, which is what makes this constitutional republic a place for all to flourish. This march will mark a 12-year anniversary of an event that has shaken this country down to its very roots, and we are here to take a stand against the fear that most of our Americans have lived in since 2001. This is more than just a simple march. This event will signify everything this country should stand for. The current administration that was elected to protect our liberties have raped us of this very virtue. We are here to show the current government the true meaning of we the people. We invite every race, creed, sexuality, nationality and gender to this event. Please do not confuse our march with the Million Muslim March that mainstream media has portrayed this out to be. We hope to see you there.